Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked, but incredibly crucial for your overall health, fitness, and performance, maintaining proper posture and optimizing your mobility. Let me ask you a question. How much time do you spend sitting each day? Whether it's at work, commuting, or simply relaxing at home, chances are you're spending a significant portion of your day in a sedentary position. And while it might seem harmless, this sedentary lifestyle can have detrimental effects on your body, leading to muscular imbalances, postural deviations, and even increased injury risk. But fear not, my friends, because today we're going to equip you with the knowledge and tools to combat these issues and reclaim your body's full potential. We'll dive into the science behind why maintaining proper posture and mobility is so important, and we'll provide you with a comprehensive routine that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, with your body moving freely and efficiently. Envision yourself performing your workouts with perfect form, minimizing the risk of injuries and maximizing your gains. Picture yourself standing tall and confident, radiating an aura of strength and vitality. This is what awaits you when you prioritize your posture and mobility. So let's get started on this transformative journey, the science behind posture and mobility. Before we dive into the practical aspects of our routine, it's essential to understand the science behind posture and mobility and why they play such a crucial role in our overall well-being. Posture refers to the alignment of your body's segments, including your head, shoulders, spine, hips, and feet. Proper posture ensures that your muscles and joints are in optimal positions, reducing unnecessary strain and promoting efficient movement patterns. On the other hand, poor posture can lead to a host of issues, including muscle imbalances, joint pain, and even decreased respiratory function. One of the primary culprits behind poor posture is our modern sedentary lifestyle. Excessive sitting, hunching over computer screens, and prolonged periods of inactivity can lead to muscular imbalances, with certain muscle groups becoming tight and overactive, while others become weakened and either underact. This imbalance can cause postural deviations such as rounded shoulders, forward head posture, and an excessive curvature in the spine. Mobility, on the other hand, refers to the ability to move your joints and muscles through their full range of motion. Adequate mobility is essential for performing daily activities, engaging in physical exercise, and preventing injuries. When mobility is compromised, it can lead to compensatory movement patterns, putting unnecessary stress on other areas of the body and increasing the risk of injury. Lack of mobility can stem from various factors, including sedentary lifestyles, repetitive movements, improper exercise form, and even past injuries. Over time, these factors can contribute to the development of adhesions or internal scar tissue, which can restrict movement and cause pain or discomfort. By addressing both posture and mobility, we can alleviate these issues and unlock our body's true potential. Proper posture not only improves our overall appearance, but also reduces stress on our joints and muscles, allowing for more efficient movement patterns. Increased mobility, on the other hand, enhances our ability to perform daily tasks, exercise with proper form, and reduce the risk of injury. Now that we understand the science behind posture and mobility, let's dive into the practical aspects of our routine and explore how we can incorporate these principles into our daily lives. The ultimate posture and mobility routine. We recommend starting with some light cardio, such as jumping jacks or marching in place, to elevate your heart rate and increase blood flow. Follow this with some dynamic stretching exercises, focusing on the major muscle groups we'll be targeting. Now, we'll break it down into two sections: posture correction exercises, mobility drills. Section 1, posture correction exercises. In this section, we'll focus on addressing common postural imbalances and strengthening the muscles responsible for maintaining proper alignment. Here are some exercises we'll cover. Wall angels. This exercise targets the muscles in your upper back and shoulders, which are often weakened due to prolonged sitting and poor posture. Stand with your back against the wall, feet hip-width apart, and engage your core. Raise your arms out to the sides, forming a U shape with your body, and slide them up and down the wall, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Prone cobras. This exercise helps to counteract the rounding of the shoulders and upper back that often occurs with excessive sitting. Lie face down on the floor with your hands positioned under your shoulders. Engage your core and lift your chest off the ground, focusing on squeezing your shoulder blades together and opening up your chest. Glute bridges. Strong glutes are essential for maintaining proper pelvic alignment and supporting the lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your core and glutes and lift your hips off the ground, forming a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Planks. A strong core is crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing excessive strain on the spine. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core muscles and hold this position for the desired duration, focusing on maintaining proper alignment. Bird dogs. This exercise targets the muscles in your back and core, helping to improve spinal stability and posture. Start on your hands and knees with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Engage your core and extend your opposite arm and leg, creating a straight line from your fingertips hips to your toes. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Remember, proper form is essential when performing these exercises. Start with a manageable number of repetitions and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the movements. Section 2, mobility drills. In this section, we'll focus on improving your overall mobility and range of motion, targeting specific joint areas that are prone to tightness and restriction. Here are some drills we'll cover. Hip openers. Tight hips are a common issue, especially for those who sit for prolonged periods. We'll explore exercises like the butterfly stretch, pigeon pose, and dynamic hip circles to improve hip mobility and flexibility. Shoulder mobility drills. Shoulder issues can often stem from poor posture and lack of mobility. We'll practice exercises like arm circles, crossbody arm swings, and the open book stretch to improve shoulder range of motion and alleviate tightness. Thoracic spine rotations. Many individuals suffer from a lack of mobility in their upper back, which can contribute to poor posture and movement patterns. We'll demonstrate thoracic spine rotations using a foam roller or a simple towel, helping to improve spinal mobility and alleviate tension in the surrounding muscles and prevent injuries in these areas. As with the posture correction exercises, proper form and gradual progression are key when performing these mobility drills. Listen to your body and don't push beyond your current capabilities. Consistent practice will yield remarkable results over time. So there you have it, my friends, a comprehensive routine designed to unleash your body's full potential and empower you to move with ease, confidence, and vitality. Remember, your posture and mobility are not just physical attributes, they are reflections of your overall well-being and the foundation upon which you build your strength, performance, and quality of life. If you liked the video, you know the drills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.